Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add next event calendar widget to your iPhone's lock screen. So how you can do it? In order to do it, you need to swipe here from the top right corner. As you can see, after that this will pop up. As you can see, I don't have any events calendar on my lock screen. So yeah, let's put it. In order to do that, you need to hold here on anything, anywhere. Hold and tab and hold. This animation will pop up. After that, you need to tap the customize button. And again, you need to tap here once. As you can see, now we are having the options to customize. You need to press this box. After that, it says, after that, you need to go down and find this calendar option. As you can see, there are two options, this one and this one. Today we will be working on this one. So this calendar shows the date of exact date and the events that you are having on that particular day. So after that, just need to tap here once. You can either bring it to the left or to the right. So yeah, after that you need to tap here on this box and press the done button. As you can see, my this lock screen has a event widget now. So yeah, that's how you add events next event calendar widget to your lock screen. Hope this video helpful.